Amazon literally can't keep these car gadgets in stock. And once you see what they do, you'll understand why. Every few weeks, these incredible automotive accessories sell out completely, leaving thousands of drivers on waiting lists. We're talking about game-changing gadgets that range from $5 to $100, but every single one solves a real problem you faced behind the wheel. Today, I'm revealing 10 genius car accessories that are flying off Amazon's virtual shelves faster than they can restock them. You've got everything from a wireless vacuum that fits in your glove compartment to a device that literally turns your windshield into a fighter jet display. Some of these will blow your mind with their simplicity, while others pack technology that feels straight out of the future. Fair warning, gadget number 7 had me questioning everything I thought I knew about road trips. And number 10, it's the reason I stopped using cables in my car forever. Ready to discover why millions of drivers are scrambling to get their hands on these must-have accessories? Let's dive in. Gadget 1. The ultimate wireless car vacuum. Ever tried cleaning between your car seats with a regular vacuum? It's like trying to thread a needle while wearing oven mitts. That's exactly why this compact wireless car vacuum has become Amazon's hottest automotive bestseller, selling out every 2 weeks without fail. This little powerhouse is about the size of a water bottle, but don't let that fool you. It packs enough suction to pull out pet hair, crumbs, dust, and even those mysterious particles that somehow multiply in your cup holders overnight. The secret sauce? A specialized nozzle set that reaches every crack and crevice in your interior. What makes this a no-brainer purchase is the convenience factor. No cords, no hunting for power outlets, no dragging your house vacuum to the driveway. Just grab it, press the button, and clean. The rechargeable battery lasts long enough to detail your entire interior, and it stores perfectly in your glove compartment for quick touch-ups. At just $29, it's cheaper than 2 professional car washes. But here's the kicker, it's currently backordered until next month because everyone's catching on to this game changer. Gadget 2. Heads-up display, mini HUD. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway and suddenly your speed, navigation directions, and incoming calls appear floating right on your windshield like you're piloting a spaceship. Sound like science fiction? Welcome to 2024, where this mini heads-up display makes every drive feel like a scene from Top Gun. This ingenious device projects essential driving information directly onto your windshield, eliminating the dangerous habit of glancing down at your phone or dashboard. No more squinting at tiny GPS screens or missing speed limit changes because your eyes were off the road. Installation takes literally 2 minutes. Just plug it into your car's diagnostic port, position the small projector on your dashboard, and boom, crystal clear information appears right in your line of sight. The display automatically adjusts for day and night driving, so you're never dealing with glare or dim readouts. Here's what's crazy. This technology used to cost thousands in luxury cars. Now you can get the same futuristic driving experience for under $60. The catch: Amazon keeps selling out because drivers are discovering what it feels like to have superhero-level situational awareness on the road. Gadget 3. Smart tire pressure monitoring caps. When's the last time you checked your tire pressure? If you're like most drivers, the answer is probably when that annoying light came on. But here's a sobering fact. Underinflated tires waste up to 3% of your fuel and dramatically increase your risk of dangerous blowouts. These smart tire pressure monitoring caps are about to change your relationship with tire maintenance forever. Simply screw them onto your existing valve stems. No tools, no mechanic, no complicated installation. Each cap contains a sensor that continuously monitors your tire pressure and temperature, sending real-time data straight to your smartphone. The magic happens through a simple app that alerts you the moment any tire drops below optimal pressure. No more guessing games at gas station air pumps or waiting for your car's warning system to notice a problem. You'll know exactly which tire needs attention and how much air to add. Think of them as fitness trackers for your tires. They help you maintain perfect pressure for maximum fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and safety. At $35 for a complete set, they pay for themselves in gas savings within months. But getting your hands on a set requires patience. They're constantly backordered due to overwhelming demand. Gadget 4. Magnetic sunshade that snaps on. Ever climbed into your car on a hot summer day and immediately regretted every life choice that led to that moment? You know the feeling? Leather seats hot enough to brand cattle and a steering wheel that requires oven mitts to touch safely. This magnetic folding sunshade system eliminates that misery with satisfying simplicity. Unlike those flimsy accordion shades that never fit properly and fall down constantly, these precision-cut shades snap into place using powerful magnets embedded around your windshield frame. The installation is brilliant in its simplicity. Magnetic strips adhere to your car's metal frame once, creating anchor points for the shades. From then on, deploying your sun protection takes exactly 3 seconds. Just unfold and snap. The shades collapse into a compact bundle that stores neatly in your door pocket. Parents especially love these because they keep kids comfortable and protect car seats from heat damage. But even single drivers appreciate climbing into a car that doesn't feel like a desert furnace. The temperature difference is genuinely shocking. We're talking 20 to 30 degrees cooler interior temperatures. At $45, it's a small price for year-round comfort. The downside: Amazon struggles to keep them stocked because word is spreading fast about this simple solution to a universal problem. Gadget 5. Car Jump Starter Power Bank. Picture this nightmare scenario. You're running late for an important meeting, you turn the key, and nothing. Dead battery. No jumper cables, no helpful strangers around, just you and a very expensive paperweight where your car used to be. This compact jump starter power bank is like having a superhero in your glove compartment. About the size of a thick smartphone, it packs enough power to jumpstart your car up to 30 times on a single charge. But here's where it gets really clever. It doubles as a high-capacity power bank for your devices. The beauty lies in its independence. No more flagging down strangers for a jump. No more calling roadside assistance and waiting an hour. Just clamp the smart cables to your battery, press the button, and start your car. The built-in safety features prevent sparks, reverse polarity damage, and overcharging. Between jump starts, it keeps your phone, tablet, and laptop charged during long road trips. The LED flashlight even includes emergency strobe modes for roadside visibility. It's like Swiss Army knife for modern driving emergencies. For $75, you're buying peace of mind and convenience. The only frustration is Amazon's inability to keep these lifesavers in stock. They disappear faster than ice cream on a summer day. Gadget 6. 360 degrees blind spot mirror dash cam combo. What if I told you that your rear view mirror could prevent accidents, record evidence for insurance claims, and eliminate blind spots all at the same time? You probably think I was overselling, but this mirror dash cam combo does exactly that. And it's why insurance companies are starting to offer discounts to drivers who install them. This isn't just a camera slapped onto a mirror. It's a complete replacement for your existing rear view mirror that provides a 360-degree view around your vehicle through strategically placed cameras. The wide-angle lens captures everything your mirrors miss, while the high-definition recording runs continuously to document your drives. The blind spot monitoring feature is genuinely life-saving. Visual and audio alerts warn you when vehicles enter your danger zones during lane changes. It's like having a co-pilot dedicated to watching your back at all times. The parking assistance mode helps you squeeze into tight spaces with confidence. Here's the compelling part. This device could literally pay for itself after one accident. Insurance claims are settled faster with clear video evidence, and you might avoid accidents entirely thanks to the enhanced visibility and warnings. At $120, it's an investment in safety that delivers daily peace of mind. But be prepared to wait. Demand consistently outpaces Amazon's ability to stock these safety game changers. Gadget 7. Inflatable car mattress for road trips. Remember those brutal road trip naps where you'd wake up with a crick in your neck and drool on the window? Those days are officially over, thanks to this inflatable car mattress that transforms your backseat into a legitimate sleeping space. This isn't some flimsy pool float masquerading as a car accessory. It's specifically engineered to fit across your rear seats, with raised edges that prevent you from rolling onto the floor and a textured surface that actually feels comfortable. The inflation process takes about 3 minutes using the included electric pump that plugs into your car's power outlet. Road trip enthusiasts are going absolutely crazy for this thing. Festival goers use it for comfortable napping between events. Parents love it for keeping kids comfortable during long drives. Even solo travelers appreciate having a proper rest option during cross-country adventures. The quality surprised me most. The heavy-duty materials resist punctures and maintain firmness throughout the night. When you're done, it deflates and folds into a surprisingly compact carrying bag that fits easily in your trunk. For $55, you're essentially adding a bedroom to your vehicle. The challenge is actually getting one. They're constantly sold out because people are discovering that road trips don't have to mean sacrificing comfort. Gadget 8. Portable car espresso maker. Coffee lovers, prepare to have your minds blown. What if you could brew legitimate espresso anywhere your car can take you? Not instant coffee, not pod coffee, but actual espresso with proper creamer and that perfect cafe taste you crave. This portable espresso maker plugs directly into your car's 12-volt outlet and delivers barista-quality coffee in under 5 minutes. The compact design includes a heating element, pressure pump, and even a small water reservoir. Just add ground coffee and water, press the button, and enjoy cafe-quality espresso from your driver's seat. The engineering is genuinely impressive. The brewing temperature and pressure match professional espresso machines, producing that rich, concentrated coffee that actually deserves the name espresso. The cleanup is surprisingly simple too. Just rinse the components and you're ready for the next cup. Road trip enthusiasts are raving about this game changer. No more gas station coffee that tastes like liquid disappointment. No more driving out of your way to find decent coffee shops. Your car becomes your personal cafe, delivering perfect espresso whenever caffeine calls. At $85, it's an investment that pays dividends for serious coffee drinkers. The only downside? Amazon can barely keep up with demand from caffeine-addicted drivers who refuse to compromise on their coffee standards. Gadget 9. LED road flares, emergency beacons. Here's a sobering thought. Every year, hundreds of drivers are injured or killed while dealing with roadside emergencies simply because other motorists couldn't see them in time. Traditional road flares help, but they're dangerous, single-use, and basically useless in wet weather. These rechargeable LED emergency beacons solve every problem with old-school road flares while adding features that could genuinely save your life. Each beacon produces incredibly bright light visible from over a mile away, with multiple flash patterns including SOS mode for genuine emergencies. The magnetic base sticks securely to any metal surface, making deployment effortless even in stressful situations. Unlike traditional flares, these are completely waterproof and windproof. They'll keep flashing for hours on a single charge, and you can recharge them hundreds of times using the included USB cables. The peace of mind factor is enormous. Whether you're changing a tire, dealing with an accident, or stranded with car trouble, these beacons make you dramatically more visible to approaching traffic. They're also perfect for camping, hiking, or any situation where you need reliable emergency lighting. For $42, you get a set of 3 beacons that could literally save your life. The frustrating part is finding them in stock. Safety-conscious drivers are snapping them up faster than Amazon can replenish inventory. Gadget 10. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Imagine never having to fumble with charging cables again just to use your car's infotainment system. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter makes that dream a reality, transforming any compatible car into a truly wireless experience that feels genuinely futuristic. The setup is beautifully simple. Plug this small device into your car's existing USB port, pair it with your phone once, and from that moment forward, your car automatically connects to your phone the instant you start the engine. Maps, music, messages, and calls all appear seamlessly on your car's display without touching a single cable. What makes this adapter special is its reliability. Unlike some wireless solutions that drop connections or lag, this device maintains rock-solid performance with lightning-fast response times that match wired connections. The experience is so smooth, you'll forget cables ever existed. The convenience factor is life-changing for daily drivers. No more digging through bags for cables, no more wearing out charging ports, no more forgetting to plug in and missing important navigation. Your car becomes an extension of your digital life, connecting automatically and working flawlessly every single time. At $68, it's the upgrade that makes every drive more convenient. The challenge is availability. Tech-savvy drivers have discovered the secret to cable-free motoring, creating constant backorders on Amazon. And there you have it, 10 incredible car gadgets that Amazon literally cannot keep in stock. From that game-changing wireless vacuum to the espresso maker that turns your car into a mobile cafe, each of these accessories solves real problems that every driver faces. What impressed me most is how these aren't just gimmicky gadgets. They're genuinely useful tools that improve your daily driving experience. Whether you're focused on safety, convenience, comfort, or just adding some cool tech to your ride, there's something here that'll make you wonder how you ever drove without it. Now I'm curious, which gadget caught your attention first? Are you team wireless vacuum for the practical benefits, or did that heads-up display make you feel like a fighter pilot? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're adding to your cart first. If this video helped you discover your next must-have car accessory, smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. We've already got part 2 in the works featuring even more mind-blowing car gadgets that are flying off Amazon shelves, including one that completely eliminates blind spots and another that turns your car into a mobile office. Until next time, drive safe and stay gadget ready.